And my name's Danielle Naranjo, and I did my project on Monster Energy drinks. The first reason I did choose Monster Energy drinks is because I've always been a fan. I've been a fan for so long that even my daughter knows which flavor to get me anytime we go to the store. And for example, I have this can that I've had since the last Halloween, and it's my favorite, and I've not yet to open it. So I like this whole product, the product line, the product mix, just everything that has to do about it. As you can see from my presentation, I've done a lot that shows um, the production, the distribution, promotion. One of the main things I did too was do a little survey on Facebook to show exactly what is more popular. The product itself creates a lot of value because it's that energy drink that customers want. They want that like it says, the unleash the beast. They want that energy that's gonna get them through the day. Um, the taste overall, the can designs, every can has a different design that goes with its flavor. Perfect example is just like my favorite one, the Mango Loco, because I love mango. And right here you can see just all the different brands right here from the picture, all the different brands that they do have. And that's just the product, the value that customers do like. My big catch whenever I would buy the product is the pricing. There was always deal. You buy 2 cans, you get them for $5. Or there's the cases that they sell at the warehouses, popular warehouses like Costco, Sam's Club, and you could get a good deal on them. And that's what a lot of the consumers are looking for, a good deal for a good product. The one thing I did like a lot is finding out the distribution of the product itself. As you can see right here, the website itself actually has a map where you can put your zip code and it will show you all the areas within your distance, like a mile from your house, just exactly what stores carry that product. From the regular Monster drink, the original one, or to the flavored ones, the coffee ones that they do have. That's what I really like. That's something that really caught my attention, and I didn't even know that was on the website. Um, the one thing that's interesting is that with the distribution, because it is owned by Coca-Cola, the the distribution is endless. Because with just the name Coca-Cola, you know that the distribution is very popular and it's going to be all over. And that's what the knowledge I gained while doing this project. The really big thing that catches a lot of the customer's attention is the fact that it is geared and it's sponsored with a lot of sports activities from motocross, basketball, race car. It's just overall, when you think of Monster, a lot of the customers are thinking sports, and that's a lot of publicity. Final thing is the promotion. I remember when I started drinking Monsters, and you would turn in the caps and you get free gear. And perfect example, and this just shows how long I've been liking Monsters, is I still have a shirt, and then my daughter will show you. This shirt I've had for almost 5 years, and it shows I got this free. It's got holes and everything that I would drink so much Monsters and I would get the free products. And that's a really good promotion that it offers. Overall, this assignment was fun to do, and I hope that everybody got some knowledge out of it. Thank you.